Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a fun and eco-friendly way to grow potatoes using old tires. This method not only saves space, but is also super easy. Let's get started. Using tires to grow potatoes is great for small gardens or urban spaces. Tires retain heat, which speeds up growth, and they allow you to stack upward, making the most of vertical space. Plus, it's a great way to recycle old tires. What you'll need: old tires. Make sure they're free from chemicals and wires. Potting soil mixed with compost. Seed potatoes. Watering can or hose. A knife to make drainage holes. Step 1. Cleaning and preparing the tires. Start by thoroughly cleaning the tires to get rid of any harmful residue. Use a knife to cut drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from pooling and rotting the roots. Choose a sunny spot for your tire stack. Step 2. Planting the seed potatoes. Place the first tire on the ground and fill it halfway with a rich mix of soil and compost. Cut your seed potatoes into pieces with at least 1 or 2 eyes per piece. Plant them 4 to 6 inches deep into the soil with the eyes facing up, and cover them lightly with soil. Step 3. Stack and grow. Once the potato plants grow about 6 inches tall, add another tire on top and fill it with more soil, leaving the tops of the plants exposed. This stacking technique encourages potatoes to grow in the layers of soil as you add tires. Continue stacking until your tire stack is about 3 or 4 tires high. Step 4. Water and care for your potatoes. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soaked. Tires warm up the soil, so you may need to water more frequently. Fertilize once every 2 weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer, and check for pests like aphids and potato beetles. Tires should be placed in a sunny spot to help them thrive. Step 5. Harvesting. After about 10 to 12 weeks, your potato plants will start to flower, signaling that the tubers are growing. Wait until the foliage dies back, then remove the tires one by one and dig out your potatoes from the layers of soil. Harvesting this way is easy, and you'll be rewarded with a good yield. Growing potatoes in tires is an excellent way to save space and get a bountiful harvest with minimal effort. Give it a try this season and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your experiences in the comments below. Happy planting!